Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Tapo camera keep going offline. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to check is signal strength at the camera location. Outdoor placement often causes weak Wi-Fi because of the walls and the distance. So you need to open the Tapo application. Then you need to check the signal bars. And if it is low, you need to move your router closer and install a Wi-Fi extender near the camera. Next, you need to simply turn off your smart connection or band steering in your router. Tapo cameras can disconnect when the router keeps switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz automatically. So you need to use a fixed 2.4 GHz network for a stable connection. After doing this, you need to simply focus on power stability. If your camera is wired, voltage drops or loose connections can cause it to go offline randomly. So you need to simply check the adapter, the cable and the power source properly. Instead of just restarting quickly, you need to turn off your router for about 2 minutes and then you just have to basically wait. This is going to clear the cache issues that often cause the repeated disconnections. Also reduce the interference outdoors. The nearby routers, metal gates and thick walls can weaken the signal. So you can try repositioning the camera slightly to get a clearer path to the router. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Tapo camera is back online again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.